You ever notice how your radio sometimes crackles at night, even when it's turned off? Most people blame bad wiring. But my neighbor swore it was something else. He said there was a secret frequency the government used to test who was paying attention. If you heard the static and listened closely, really listen, you'd hear patterns, 3 bursts, a pause, then a faint whisper weaving between them. I laughed when he told me that. Until last Tuesday. I woke up at 2:13 a.m., house silent, lights off, everything normal, except for the radio on my kitchen counter. It was glowing. And it was speaking. Not words. Just a soft, rhythmic static, almost like breathing. Then, under it, a voice so quiet it felt like it was inside my head. We have confirmed your awareness.